Hi, this is Hefei from Acupuncture Northwest. Today I'm going to show you how to do Moxa therapy safely at home. So to do Moxa therapy at home, you would need a Moxa stick, a lighter, and a ashtray, and in this case we have an ashtray and a Moxa extinguisher in one. So at home, ideally you want a ashtray and a extra safe, heat-safe bowl to put out your Moxa with. So Moxa is a therapy that's complementary to acupuncture and herbal therapy. It's very warming. At the same time, it adds more qi to your body. So to start, we want to start our lighter, and then you hold the Moxa stick on the other end, one end, and then hold the other end over the open flame. And gently, slowly rotate the stick so it gets evenly heated. And this can take in between 30 seconds to a minute, depends on how dry your Moxa stick is. And when you start seeing the stick glow a little bit, and you can see a tiny bit of smoke coming up, you know when that's lit. Okay. So when you start seeing a little ash on the Moxa stick, you want to gently rub against the side of your heat-safe bowl to get rid of the ash so it doesn't fall on you. Try not to tap because you may break the stick. Okay, and when you do Moxa, you want to hold it about ½ inch to an inch away from your skin. So you want to be close enough where you can feel the warmth, but you don't want to be too close that you burn yourself. You can either do circular motion at the point, or you can do a picking motion as well, like this. And Moxa can be used on various points of your body, and your practitioner will instruct you on which point to use. So usually you'll be asked to do Moxa on each point for about 5 to 10 minutes. And when you're done, in here we have a Moxa extinguisher, and at home you probably won't have exactly the same tool. So what you can do is grab a bowl, heat-safe bowl, and fill it with salt or rice, and then put the stick in there to choke it out, and then done. That's how you do Moxa at home.